y'all, it's time for me to do another giveaway. I cannot believe that August has already come and gone. I had such great intentions on doing multiple giveaways in the month of August, but it just flew right by. So before I get into the giveaway, if you have not checked out my simple striped blanket that I created using the Bernat blanket yarn or my crochet book cover video, please make sure you check those out. They're super simple, easy beginner projects that I think anyone can get into. So if you haven't checked that out, head over to my channel and I'll put a link in my description box on those videos. Okay, so let's get into the giveaway. Now guys, I love doing giveaways, but I will say that I do like giving them to my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take the time to do that because I don't do these a lot, but I do want to give it to people that do support my channel. So I'm going to do a crochet hook. This is just a standard crochet hook, 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, for, just to get started with a project. Okay, so we're going to do the crochet hook in this one. We'll also do, now I did find this cute little stowaway travel size scissors. Got these from Hobby Lobby. I just thought they were really cute, so I picked up a couple. So I'm going to give one of those away. It has a little cap, perfect for your purse or your bag. And then we're going to give away the Caron Simply Soft yarn. Now this yarn is amazing. I love it. It's super soft to the touch. It's perfect for a ton of different projects. I made a crochet top that has like a V-back to it, and that video is on my channel as well with this yarn. You can make scarves with this yarn. Blankets. So anyway, this is not sponsored by them. I just happen to like the Caron Simply Soft yarn. And the best part about this yarn is that it's really affordable. Now you guys know that I love my KnitCrate yarn. It's a monthly yarn subscription program where you get high quality yarn using natural fibers, and I love that yarn. But this Caron Simply Soft yarn is at a really good price point. So it's at a really good price point. So anyway, giveaway rules really quickly, not to belabor the point about how great the yarn is, but you'll get 3 skeins of the Caron Simply Soft yarn. You'll get the crochet hook and the scissors. All you have to do is just enter a comment in the description box in the comment section down below. Now I enjoy doing giveaways and I prefer to do these for my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when the winner is announced. You will have, let's go with September the 12th. I'll pick a winner on the 13th and then I'll let you know shortly thereafter who won. So anyway, that's all you all. Thank you so much for the support and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.